Good evening, friends. My name is Pooja Subhash Patil. Today's date is 15 December 2021. Today's topic name is Types and Scope of Variable. In programming world, there are lots of languages, so we need variables. The programming language are basic requirements for the variables. What is variable? In programming language, variable is a container that holds the value in programming. Variable is declared by the location. Variable are specifies the data types. What is data types? Data types is a specify the different size and value in programming. Data types are used in variables. All methods are same in data types and it is used in variables. The syntax of variable: data type, then variable name equals to value. Data types are declare the various types of variable. Int declares the int type variable. The size of integer data type is 4 byte. Second is a float. Declare the float data type variables. The size of float data type is 4 byte. Third one is a char. Char declare the char data type variable. The size of char data type is 2 byte. Third one is a boolean data type. Boolean data type are specifies only two values. First one is a true and second one is a false. Then we discuss about which types are included in variables. Variables are divided into three parts. First one is a local variable, third one is a instance variable, and third one is a static variable. So firstly we discuss local variable. Local variable is a variable which can declare the inside of a block. Which can declare the inside of block within the method or within the constructor. Then second one is a interface variable. Interface variable is a instance variable is a variable which can declare within the class, outside the method and outside the constructor, which can accessible outside the class, method and constructor. Features of instance variable. The instance variable are used in creating object. Second, every object has own copy in instance variable. And third one is a static variable. Static variable is a similar to instance variable. Static variable are used in static keyword. Static variable is within the class. We cannot access outside the class outside the method and outside the constructor class. That's all about today's topic, types and scope of variable. Thank you.